everybody. We were just driving through back from our last trip where we were at the copper mine, and we decided to stop in Tombstone, which is only about 25 minutes away. So here we are in Tombstone, Arizona, and I really don't know anything other than it's like a big old western town. It's kind of kept to period, and I do that type of stuff here, but we weren't expecting to go here, so we have no preparation done. So we're just gonna walk around. Huh?
Learn with us.
Yeah, so we'll figure it out as we go and just enjoy the town. I don't think we're gonna do too much, just walk around and see what's here, because maybe we can come and do other things another time. Ooh, they have ice cream.
Perfect town.
You scream for ice cream.
Oh, it's
Closed. 4 p.m.
we were like a half an hour too early. Yeah, it's closed at 4.
Okay, so here we are in the main strip here. So there's the famous OK Corral, and just got like all these cool old buildings and stuff, Western style. Oh, take a photo in there. So, just see what we see.
A shady lady's closet.
So they have carriage rides, tours here. Yeah. So if you want to do that, you can. Looks like they're $15 for adults and $10 for children. And it looks like, so we're walking around here and finding out that basically most everything is closed around 4 o'clock. And we got here just after 4:15 or so. So everything is either shut or shutting down soon. So not very good timing, but that's okay because it leaves us something to do if we come back next time. Yeah. One of the road crossings here. You can see the mountains through there in the way back. Feels a whole lot like a Western movie here. If it was invaded by Disneyland. Because it's super touristy. But it definitely feels like those Western movies you saw. Gonna wash some clothes. Western clothing. This birdcage theater. Looks like they got lots of like bars, saloons, you know, restaurants, things like that. And they've got theaters where they're doing shows and stuff, so we get people dressed up in clothes. Hello.
The original building on Allen, you're more than welcome on in.
This is original. What's in it?
Oh, sorry. Ah, in the way.
I don't know, Dad was trying to read.
The garter.
Yes, I did.
I love it. It goes with the skirt perfectly.
Thank you, Dad.
Enjoy your day.
Okay. Just gonna keep walking around.
Ice
Go that way. Oh. So everybody is starting to close up a little bit, but we are just walking around getting to taste everything. Lots of just trinket shops and antiques and souvenirs, things like that. Photo stores. This is a casino, I think. This says it is. Here we got the, it's like the last carriage ride of the day. Little house in the prairie style, you know. Some type of another saloon. That's pretty cool. You don't see this type of place everywhere. Kind of interesting. I think it would probably be better if we came, you know, either on a weekend or, you know, during the day when everybody's open, because there are some people who just dress up in period clothing just because they can, and I guess you feel accepted or something. This is the place you can do it and not be too weird. But it's a pretty cool place.
It's kind of like 90s, probably a little cornflakes.
Here's the OK Corral. This is where they do the gunfight reenactments and stuff. It's like they're open till 5. But I don't know that we can get in.
Public restrooms in the rear. Okay. You gotta go? Okay.
So that's our little, I guess, quick walking tour of the Tombstone area. I don't really get to do anything, so it'll be a lot of music with video, I'm sure is what you just saw. So don't care at 4:15 because everything closes at 4. But it was a really cool town. We're passing through anyway, so it doesn't really bother us to anyway. But we'll be back in the area many times, so we can come back when we visit family and do more. We just know we come here during the day. They got the carriage rides, they got the shows. So there's some trolley tours, there's tons of ice cream and food and stuff. Good stuff for the whole family. So if you like the video, hit the like button now. Comment, tell us what you thought, what you like, what you don't like. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, And we will see you in the next one.